a world of differences. Some things are different from each other. The opposite of black is white. The opposite of happy is sad. If I am on one side of the room, you are on the other. That is the opposite side. The opposite of up is down. The opposite of left is right. Do you know the opposite of young? Old is the opposite of young. What is the opposite of dirty? Clean is the opposite of dirty. Big is the opposite of small. A man is the opposite of a woman. A boy is the opposite of a girl. Sometimes people think different things. One person might be wrong, and one might be right. The opposite of a mother is a father. Can you think of some opposites? It is cold in the winter and hot in the summer. I could say hello, but it is time to say goodbye.